All right, let's go through it together. For optional arguments, there are two possibilities. The arguments could be at least one, some real arguments, or they could be empty. The first two lines are going to look a bit like this. We have to call our non-terminal opt-args because that's what I called it up here and it has to match. I'm just going to make up this new non-terminal args, meaning one or more. If we don't see any of them, we can return the empty list. This means there's one or more arguments. So I'll just pass the buck and assume that args is magically going to make for me the answer I want, and I'll just copy it from P1 into P0. One of the real tricky parts of handling arguments is that they're separated by commas rather than terminated by commas. So once you have your first argument, if you're going to have a second, you need a comma, but otherwise you don't. And this seems a little weird when we say it verbally, but if you look at it, it's more or less just what we expect. If there's only one argument, then it's just an expression, some number. But if there are more, then we put commas in between them. So here for multiple arguments, we have an expression, a comma, and then any more arguments we like. And then finally we get to the last one, which is just an expression. Well, for this one, we'll just make a singleton list out of the only argument you gave me. So this would be the list containing 1 for this example up here. And in this other case, my fun of 2, 3, we take this first part, just the 2, and we put it in a list by itself, and then we use plus to get list concatenation, list append, to put this single element list together with all of the rest of the arguments we've gathered up. That's it for defining parsing functions for function calls and arguments.